Evergreen. Candid. New trends in GK. 8. Chapter 2. The Everesters. Mount Everest is the highest peak, 8,848 meters in the world. It was discovered by Andrew Waugh, the British Surveyor General of India, and Radhanath Sikdar, an Indian mathematician and surveyor. It took 9 years to establish its height. Finally, in March 1856, the peak was announced as the highest peak in the world. Let us learn its climbing attempts. 1921 to 1952. Twelve unsuccessful attempts were made to reach Mount Everest during this period. 1953. On May 29th, Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary became the first mountaineers to reach the highest peak at 11:30 am. They buried a few sweets and a cross at the peak. 1956. 4 members to reach in a year. 2011. Chapter 3. Great Explorers. Chapter 4. Explorations. Exploration 51 to 1509 to 1583